there you go. This is the BC Racing coilovers. I'm actually surprised for a couple of things. One, how light this is. I have eBay on the BMW 2JZ, very heavy. And also this thing here, I didn't expect to have this on front and rear, so it's pretty cool. Car is up enough, and we're gonna start taking the wheels off now. Are you ready? Wow. Wow, look at this. The inside is screwed, and then it made a bubble. Wow, it almost delaminated the whole thing. So with the on the other side with the 19mm, get a little wrench in here. Let's do it. Nut is out, and then I got a screwdriver and I put on the hole. That out. And then we go from the top, take those 14mm out. Yes, I'm gonna put a 19mm there, and go with the 19mm on the other side. Alright. See this 10mm, so we gotta remove that. This plastic goes out. This is the tiny bolt we were after. So it is out. Now I'm gonna drop this here, move this up. Oh yes. See this here? I just pull it out, and I'm gonna rest this in here, and it's good to go. I need to drop all of this so I have space. There you go. I'm trying to go over the link. Alright, one out. And now with the BC, we gotta take those nuts out of here. Okay. So now you need to get one nut and go down there, push it up, and then be sure that you put at least one nut all the way to the end. Now I'm gonna push it up with the jack, and this should align 100% in there so I can put the bolt on. And since this is a safety part, and now we're gonna proceed with the reverse order. With all back in place, I'm gonna put this plate back in here, this back in there, and there you go. Our first BC Racing coilover installed. Yeah, it looks great. Here it looks great. I don't know how am I going to adjust this yet, so let's go to the back now. On top, so we have here 3 bolts, and the top one we use a picker like this. It's just like that. So now we gotta take this side here. Yeah, just pull it out and comes out. So with a 12mm, hope it's not blurred, and 3. So now same story, different side. We're gonna put a 19mm there with an impact, and we're going to do this here. And now I'm gonna tap the bolt, put a screwdriver where the bolt is, it out. So with that cover out of the way, which is that, we take it out and we use the same 14mm, and we're gonna take the actually shock. All right, finally. Wow, I don't know. Wow, there's sand from Australia here. So here, easiest way, take the sway bar link here, 14mm, grab a tire bar, put on this arm here and on the bottom frame, and then push it down. Now let's put the coilover. Alright, easiest way to do this. Sticker pointing to you. Hold in here. Go there. Try to wiggle a little so you can get in the car. Careful with the brake lines. And then you want to get right in there. So I'm gonna get this big bolt, orange Loctite, and I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna tighten that. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you my face again. This is how low it is right out of the bat. 2 fingers, I can just put it in. Yeah, look at that. This is perfect and it's beautiful. Look at that. I don't know this thing yet. I'm not gonna mess with it yet. But yeah, this side here, if you have a Supra, is a pain because of this. That big bolt I show you on the first one, it doesn't go through because of the reservoir. Thanks for watching. If you made this far, BC coilovers seem to be fine. It's beautiful, at least very easy to install apart from the car itself. The coilover, no issue, just put it in there. It's smaller than OEM, so it's easy, but I want to see the ride. So maybe I have the kids, I might take the kids for a ride this weekend and let's see how it goes. Stick around, there's a bunch of cool stuff happening. Don't forget to subscribe, and later.